You want to draw glow art? Follow this simple 5 steps. First step. Open app and click My Gallery. Select the plus option and choose 3 to 4. Second step, click on the Layers option and click on plus 3 times. Choose first layer and import your sketch. Now click on the Tools option and choose Bucket. Choose black color and set occupancy 100%. Now click on the Layers and set layers occupancy 44% or as you want. Also apply same method, choose red color and set occupancy 3%. Third step, select fourth layer. Click on the Tool option and choose Smooth Brush. And choose Overlay. Now color your sketch with your imagination. Click on the layer and choose second layer. Now glow your art. Choose fifth layer, convert this layer in multiply. Add little dark color. And draw shadows. Save this image. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, hit like and subscribe.